You've been training calisthenics consistently. You're putting in the reps, you're showing up every week. But somehow, other people are building muscles twice as fast as you. Same exercises, same schedule, completely different results. Here's what nobody tells you. Most calisthenics athletes are missing 3 training principles and completely change how fast you progress. Not new exercises, not harder workouts. 3 specific principles. The top athletes use them constantly, and almost nobody in the beginner space ever talks about them. I call them the calisthenics cheat codes, and once you understand all 3, you will never train the same way again. Cheat code number 1. Most athletes have zero awareness of this, and it's probably a single biggest reason your pull-ups, your push-ups, your dips aren't building the muscle they should. It's called scapular activation. You show the blades are not just bones sitting in your back. They are the foundation of every single upper body calisthenics movement you will ever do. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most people move through every rep without engaging a scapula at all. Think about it like this. You wouldn't build a house on sand. You show the blades are the concrete base. Every rep you do without activating them, you're building on sand. When you hang from a bar without retracting and depressing your scapula first, your traps and neck take over. You get neck pain, you get minimal lat activation, almost zero upper back development. When you do activate it, your lats fire immediately, your spine loads correctly, and every single rep does 3 times more muscle building work. Here's how to fix it right now. Every training day, before anything else, 5 sets of 10 scapular pull-ups. Hang from the bar, no bend in the arm. Just squeeze your shoulder blades down and together. Then release. That's 1 rep. 2 weeks of this, you'll feel the difference of every exercise you do. Yes, cheat code number 1. Your shoulder blades are your performance engine. Start using them. Cheat code number 2. And this one will make you actually soar for the first time in months. Most calisthenics athletes train at normal speed. Down in 1 second, up in 1 second. And there's nothing wrong with that. But there is a hidden gear that almost everyone completely ignores. The eccentric. The lowering phase of every rep. Now, here's the important part, and the science backs this up. Your muscles are actually strongest when they're lengthening under load. The weight down in a push-up, the descent in a pull-up. That's where you can create the most tension, and tension is what builds muscle. Research shows that training with a slow eccentric, 3 to 5 seconds of the weight down, can increase muscle growth by up to 40% compared to stand-up speed. That's not a marginal gain. That's almost half again as much muscles from the exact same exercise. Here's how to apply it this week. Take your push-ups. Lower yourself in 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then explode back to the top. 3 sets of 8. By set 3, your chest will be working in a way normal push-ups never reach. With pull-ups, jump to the top position and lower yourself in 5 full seconds. That's your eccentric pull-up. 3 sets of 5 reps, you'll feel it immediately. Dedicate 1 training day per week to this. Eccentric focused work. That's your cheat code for breaking every plateau you've ever hit. Cheat code number 3. This one is going to change how you structure every workout going forward. Most calisthenics athletes chase one number, total reps. I had 15 pull-ups, I did 100 push-ups, and rep count matters. But it is not the most important metric for muscle growth. Let me show you why. 2 athletes both do 50 push-ups. Athlete A takes 15 minutes, resting 3 minutes between sets. Athlete B does the same 50 reps in 8 minutes, resting 60 to 90 seconds. Same reps, completely different muscle building signal. It's density, how much total work you're doing in a fixed time window. And progressive density means every week you do slightly more work in the same time, or the same work in slightly less time. Here's the simplest way to apply it. Set the timer for 10 minutes. Do push-ups. Rest whenever you need to. Count every rep. Next week, beat that number in the same 10 minutes. That's it. That's an AMRAP, as many reps as possible. And it is the most effective structure for beginners to guarantee progressive overload without ever touching a weight. No more aimless texts. No more guessing if you're improving. Just cricket density and watch what happens. That's the whole game. Drop a comment right now. Which of these 3 cheat codes were you missing most? Scapular Activation, Temple Training, or Progressive Density? And subscribe to Clean Build. Every week I break down exactly what works and cut out everything that doesn't, and build you toward a body you're actually proud of. See you in the next one.